I go way back, like I said, 40 years. I remember film and dark rooms and negatives and you wouldn't do anything in 24 hours. You'd be lucky 3 days, 4 days to get a job out. And then you usually had client approvals on presses and all that stuff. With the digital transactional world, the color is the color. Once you linearize a stock, and Canon linearizes, and every stock that we get, any new stock that we try, Canon will come in here and linearize it. Basically taking measurements, like Canon will have a scales, gray scales, color scales, photos of all varieties, halftones and shadows and highlights, and they'll run the sheet till they have it fine-tuned and perfect. Once they do that, they lock it in, and that press is good to go, and that stock is good to go. Once that stock is linearized, you're locked in. That color doesn't move, that impresses me the most of the new technology. In the offset world, you were very reliant on a very good pressman. You needed a pressman that knew how to turn those keys, how to adjust color. You always had to have a client come in and do a final approval on the press. Now it's all digital. It's different expectations. Color's beautiful. It's pleasing